Wait, stop scrolling for just 1 second. Look at this channel, 38 videos. That's it, just 38 videos. And they've already crossed 2.3 lakh subscribers. Now look at the views, millions, on almost every single video. But here's the part that really got me. These videos are 100% monetization friendly. No copyright strikes, no demonetization, nothing. So what exactly are these videos? Underwater animal point of view videos, fully AI generated and completely free to make. Now I know what you're thinking. Bro, I don't know any AI tools. I don't know animation. I don't even know where to start. That's exactly why I made this video. What you're about to watch is a complete step-by-step masterclass, starting from zero and ending with a fully finished, ready to upload video. No steps skipped, no fluff. Just everything you need. So if you've been searching for a YouTube niche that actually works, low competition, high views, guaranteed monetization, you're in the right place. Let's get started. So first things, you need to open this prompts file. The link is right there in the description. Now inside this PDF, you're going to find 2 prompts. The first prompt will generate unique video ideas for you, and the second prompt will generate all your visuals. So let's start with the first one. Select it, copy it, go to ChatGPT, paste it, and hit the arrow. And just like that, in a few seconds, ChatGPT will give you 10 unique underwater POV video ideas. Don't like any of them? No problem. Just run the same process again as many times as you want. Now go back to that same prompts file, copy the second prompt, and paste it into ChatGPT. This time, take your chosen idea, copy the title, and paste it into the prompt where it says title. Then just hit the arrow, and in a few moments, ChatGPT will give you scene-by-scene image prompts and video motion prompts for your entire video. Okay, so now let's generate the images first. For this, we're going to use Google Flow. Why Flow? Because number 1, it's completely free. And number 2, the results are honestly better than most other AI tools out there. So open Flow AI. At the bottom, select Image. Set the video size to 9:16. And from the models, choose Nano Banana Pro. Now paste your Scene 1 image generation prompt right here and hit Generate. In just a few seconds, your first scene image will be ready. Now do the exact same thing for Scene 2, Scene 3, and all the remaining scenes. Once all your scene images are generated, it's time to bring them to life. Take your first scene image and drag and drop it into the prompt box. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the video motion prompt for Scene 1. Come back to Flow and paste it in. Now at the bottom, select Video. Keep the size at 9:16. Go to Models, and this time select Omni Flash for better results. Then choose your preferred video duration and hit Generate. In just a little while, your first scene video will be ready. Now follow this exact same process for every single scene. Once all your scenes are done, download each one in 1080p upscaled. Then open any video editing software. Add all your scenes to the timeline in order. Drop in some transitions between each scene. And don't forget to add captions, because captions seriously boost engagement on these videos. And just like that, your final video is ready. The preview link is in the description. Go check it out. That's everything for today's video. If you got value from this, make sure you drop a like. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye-bye.